Hello, welcome back to another video. Right now we are tracking Hurricane Elsa. It's not a hurricane, wind 75 miles per hour. Here it goes. It's just about to make landfall. West coast of Florida. Here it goes. Hurricane warnings are already issued for West coast of Florida. Baked in. Let's do the timing and see where this thing is gonna go. Let's look at the tropical storm force wind. You know, like in the whole west coast of Florida, 89. 70, 80, 90% of tropical storm winds are likely to come through your area. And tropical storm winds are out in the percentage of tropical storm winds is also increasing for the parts of Georgia and South Carolina as Elsa is getting closer. Let's look at the rainfall now. Elsa is bringing heavy rain. 4 to 6 inches of rain possible, even possibly up to 8 inches of rain possible. Storm surge. Storm surge, 1 to 3 feet up in the lower parts of Florida, which Elsa's already passed, and 3 to 5 feet of storm surge on the Big Bend of Florida, where Hurricane Elsa is actually going to make landfall. So let's see, Tampa Bay, 3 or 5, off 3 or 5 feet in Tampa Bay, but Tampa's going to get 3 or 5 feet storm surge too, but Tampa's going to get the highest too. So we're going to pull this up here, so we're going to look live in Tampa, Charleston, and Myrtle Beach. So let's see. Let's pull Myrtle Beach. Start with Myrtle Beach. Myrtle Beach, even though it's far away, if you start Myrtle Beach, they're gonna get hit by it. Okay, I'm gonna look at Tampa first while I already got Tampa pulled up. This is looking live at Tampa. You can see the dark gray clouds in the horizon. Elsa is already approaching Tampa Florida. We don't look at the forecast. Let's see what we got. Let's look at off the Naples for it too. Let's see what we got going on in Naples. Oh, that's the water. I'll charge the commercial. Okay, look at how I got the feet. The waves are already picking up. The wind is picking up. So Elsa is already expecting something really strong. You can see the dark clouds coming in. And yeah, it's moving on pretty quick. Those waves are already coming. The water's pretty short. I'm pretty sure the water's gonna come up to the west coast of Florida. I mean, not the west coast, but I'm pretty sure the water's gonna come up to where she's exactly, because the storm sure will have to be in the red color, but this storm is probably like right beside Naples, Florida. So it's already like approaching Naples, Florida. So let's look at the Naples, Florida coast and see out in the water. So it's getting pretty dusty over there. I mean, it's quite not as strong yet, but it's pretty good. So let's look at other parts of Florida. As you know, I think here they probably not this is the east coast. This is what they probably. I don't know where that's I don't know where that's at. Yeah, the wind is starting to pick up. So let's go ahead and let's look at the weather forecast for Tampa, Florida in Naples. Okay, here's Cape of Florida. Winds are 15 miles per hour. I guess the wind from the east because the storm is west of y'all. So the winds is actually coming from the east. The wind is expected to get really strong tonight. The high is going to get to really up to 39 miles per hour. Yes, schools are going to be closed. Schools ain't opening because it's a break. But places are probably closed. Business is closed. So it's going to be, things are going to be closed as Elsa approaches. Hurricane, you also under a hurricane warning. So let's see how it's going tonight. About 11 o'clock, the winds are probably going to start getting strong. I speak to the same wind. These are not good. These are the same wind. Let's look at the weather. Let's look at this one. Tonight, hurricane conditions likely windy. These are gusts. 40 gusts. That's pretty strong. Here's the note. 50 mile per hour wind gusts. So you expect up to 50 mile per hour wind up for 1 inch of rain possible. Same Saturday. Hurricane warning for us. So let's see. Yeah, I see all that. And possibly the 107 miles. That's not good too. The 35 to 50 miles per hour, that's pretty slow. So let's look at one more thing. It's the day model. Here it is. game mode to see what's going on now. Let's look at the fossils. Oh! Wait for this. Hear it? Oh. Alright, here it is. Boom! There it is. Elsa's right there. See? You can see that light right there. That's letting you know that this storm is pretty healthy and it's strong. It doesn't have an eye yet, even though it's a hurricane. I think it's not mega. You don't see a lot of it. You might possibly see an eye, but it's not really. But here it is. You see it. It's pretty close to it. I'm talking Florida. You see it right there. It doesn't look like a hurricane. It's kind of like a big thunderstorm. That's what it's going to look like. But it might look like one. It may not look like one, but it is one. It's a hurricane. There it is. Hurricane center. Look at the hurricane center. The tropical storm is expected to hit South Carolina. Let's talk about things like South Carolina. Florida's not the only one who gets hit by Georgia and South Carolina. You expect to have tropical storm conditions. Tropical South Carolina, you're going to talk about South Carolina. South Carolina has not had, I think, a tropical storm came through here, I think, ever since 2018 or 2019, because it's been a while. South Carolina didn't get one with, South Carolina might have one last year, but wasn't like East was one, but it stayed very, very close to the coast to heating up. But this Elsa's going to come angry. We're talking about angry coast, like Columbia, places like that hasn't had a direct hit by a tropical storm since those years. So we don't see how far it angles that comes up to us. But Elsa, this one, it's been a while. So let's see, for the 1-2 line, let's see what we expected. And I think, yeah, here it is. Right now it's in Florida. It's getting pretty close. Okay, here's it right now. South Carolina, right now. This is where I live at. Here it is. This is where this is going to be a tropical storm right now. This is a tropical storm going right in the middle of South Carolina. Going to Osborne, the center's going to be right over Columbia. So places like Columbia, Sumter, Florence, Greenville, and all places like that hasn't seen a tropical storm since 2018 with Michael and stuff like that. That's going to be the first one since those storms, so it's going to be the first one in a while. So let's see about one more thing we can look at is this is a knuckle weather. Is this type of Florida? I don't know where that is, but look, it's type of Florida, but it's darker. I mean, yeah, it is getting dark, but somebody is in a different time zone. It's Eastern, yeah, it's dark, yeah, it's getting dark over type of Florida. So yeah, it's yeah, but yeah, it looks like that's tougher. So let's, one more thing we can look at. Look, this one. Perfect, water chart. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk about flash flooding, because Elsa is not only by a wind storm just right. Elsa can bring heavy rain. Charleston, Savannah, New Orleans, Jacksonville, Tampa Bay, moderate risk for flash flooding, and Augusta, Jackson, for southern, most of Jacksonville is hotly risk. Orlando, places like that, Window Keys, Window City, slightly risk for severe, not severe, but slightly risk for flash flooding. So let's go to severe weather. So this storm is going to bring severe weather. Here it is, slightly risk for severe weather. As the right to left, right crossing comes in, and we see those cleanup in every tropical system. So let's go to storm surge. You see a storm surge, you already talked stuff about that. So this is about hurricane preparedness. So to be prepared, you need water. pet. I mean, you need water, verities, all kinds of like you need water, verities, candles, or like not like candles because candles with the fire. I mean, you might want thank candles skin because the candle was kind of strong. Yeah, I heard a lot of people say candle skin start a fire, but live when I went to a pet when I told pet storm I lose candles, but candles a lot of times they say candles start a fire, but I don't know if we can lose candles or not, but just don't lose candles because it will start a fire. You can lose. But so the best pet you can lose is flashlight because it's much better. Our radio so you can listen to what's going on. Outside stuff like grills and stuff like that. Outside grills and stuff like that. Please put all your stuff inside right now. Trim your trees because the trees are gonna come down as the winds get very strong. So let's look at water skill. Flashlight, verities, food, water and everything, place had it. And I will keep you updates tomorrow after Hurricane Elsa. But one more thing, the water temperatures are very low and that's why this thing is expected to strengthen. And I will keep you updated tomorrow when Hurricane Elsa makes landfall.